Continuing coverage in the search for baby Lisa, I'm joined now with PJ O'Connor, who is an attorney for Wagstaff and Cartmel. And PJ, thanks for joining us today. We want to get some insight as to how a warrant is obtained in the first place. That was a pretty intensive search today.
Sure. It's basically a three-tiered process. In that process, you have law enforcement who is doing the investigation, so they have reason to believe that there's items or things to be seized at a specific location. So it's kind of a three-tier process. Basically, they will take that information to a prosecutor. The prosecutor will then look at the affidavit or their oath that, hey, there is probable cause to believe that we need to search for these items at this location. They will then take that information to a judge. Judge will ultimately look at that affidavit or that oath from the officer and from the prosecutor and determine whether there's enough information, specific information, that would reasonably lead someone to believe there's probable cause that those items not only would be there, but that those items would be in that location.
And I think that what you're saying is there has to be specific reasons to enter someone's property and go in there. You can't just willy-nilly start ripping up carpet and going through the lawn.
Sure. Absent what the public sometimes might think about law enforcement, that they can do anything they want, they can go in your house, they can search your car. They can't. They have to go through that three-tiered process and basically lay out the specific items they're looking for, specifically why those items might be located there, and then there are parameters once that's done as to what they can do at the search.
All right. PJ, thanks a lot for joining us. That gives a lot of insight to what's going on. Kelly, we're going to give it back to you.
All right. Thanks.